But many a times people start getting confused and they feel that insurance is a compliance phenomena than anything else. So the question is, why should insurance be seen as a business continuity tool rather than being seen as a compliance tool?
Sanjay, very good question. So basically, let us first understand why people think so. So there are two things according to me. I'm talking of Indian scenario.
Yeah, we're talking about Indian scenario.
One is lack of trust, and secondly, lack of knowledge. Lack of trust means whether I will get the claim in a real manner, quickly, to the desired amount or not. It's $1 million question.
Absolutely.
Because everybody is apprehensive about fine prints, so-called fine prints in the policies. Okay, at the time of claim, company is going to show me some exclusion somewhere, some printing material, and my claim will be washed away. So lack of trust. Secondly, lack of knowledge. Insurance has been seen since ages. I'm there in insurance since last 40 years now. In earlier days, it is called ki bank ke liye le rahe hain. Compliance for the bank. So purely regulatory. We have taken loan from bank, some working capital or some term loan or whatever loan I have taken. So for the compliance, either bank will debit or I will take insurance and give the policy to them. Matter ends. Full stop. Nothing more, nothing less. Expectations was also not there. At the time of claim, if something happens, something comes to me, fair enough. But with the time and after the COVID, there are two things which has happened. One is business has become more complex. Accumulation of assets has become more. It has become more global. Technology has also played a role in that to integrate the entire globe into local. And the things like COVID has also happened. So these two things has compelled person to look into insurance as a serious tool, relatively.
Exactly.
But having said that, is still that lack of trust is still a deficit. And that's why insurance, though being seen by most of MSMEs and big corporates as definitely a tool, but still that knowledge and trust is still desired level has to be achieved.
Still not achieved.
Like if I talk a listed company, for a listed company in India, you have to have a risk management committee. That is compulsory, obligatory. In recent past, some of the clients who are listed of Beacon, they have invited us to have a dialogue with risk management committee. This has happened since last 2 years or 3 years only. Earlier, risk management committee was more of a compliance.
Yeah, again, it's more for compliance now.
So that was there. Now people are getting educated. People know that that type of risk is there. I mean, thanks to this climate change, political, economic changes, which are happening very rapidly, advancement of technology and its exposure, nuisance and all those things are there. So thanks to all these things and thanks to increasing compliances, that insurance is being taken as a tool for business continuity process. Now, coming to this business continuity process, as I was talking to you, that listed companies, there is a compliance for risk management committees there. And even a chartered accountant, the auditor has to certify that adequate insurance has been taken. I mean, that is also compulsory. They have to put a line there.
In their report.
But it is more of a compliance because they are also not having that sufficient knowledge. Most of them are not having that sufficient knowledge. But in today's world, when the political economic situation is changing, a statement by Chinese premier makes the difference, or something comes from North Korea also make the difference. People are predicting that, like USSR, even USA will also be split into three sections. I mean,
Okay.
that is what some
People are saying, yeah.
astrological are saying, looking to all those things.
Hmm.
So, insurance is being taken nowadays as a business continuity process, and it has been taken seriously, but the pace is slow.
Okay.
The deficit of trust, to me, is
Biggest contributor to this.
contributor to this, because still today people are not satisfied whether it is individual for mediclaim. I'm talking since
As
that
an
is
example.
example, whether it is a big fire, whether it is a big liability claims, people are not satisfied altogether. So that switch over to them towards insurance as a compliance, कि मिलना तो है नहीं पैसा.
Why should we
invest unnecessarily to that?
So basically, one thing is clear, that insurance should be taken up as a business continuity tool. That is for sure. And taking it up as a compliance is not correct. And to arrest that, even the regulator is taking a lot of steps in terms of appointing this risk committee or asking the auditors to certify. I think that is good. And I think with this and with maybe the faith level or the trust level increasing, the perception of insurance, which it is actually a business continuity tool, would mechanism.